Mynta ka sngi ka arpu tarik Nailar hajar arpu ka Seiñ Raij Mukhla kala Pynkut Noh ya ka Lehñiam Behdeiñkhlam Wah Biar Aitnar ya ka ni ka jing lehniam sdang naduh ka arpu tarik Nailar bala sakhi daki khun ka Sein Raij na kylleng jaka kiba pynpoi ban sakhi ya ka ni ka Lehñiam Behdeiñkhlam khadduh Baroh kiba pynpoi ha ka Wah Biar na ni ka Aitnar kila don haduh tylli pat ki khun ka Sein Raij kila leit ru ya ki dengkhlam hajan ka Aitnar haringkat ka kemen ka kerhoi bat ka jingtiet ya ka bom ka bhuri Mynta ka sngi lawan ban kylleng ya ka Behdeiñkhlam naduh Myntri Rangbah do ka Sarkar Jilla Conrad K haringkat ka jingedon lang MLA ka jirang uba Sosthenes Sohtun MLA ka Jowai Walidmiki Shylla CEM ka Hills Autonomous District Council Thombor Shiwat ki MDC Deputy Commissioner ka West Hills District ki Jowai ki Wahe Wasan Nailar ki Wei ki bala shakhot ngobha
Seiñ Raij Mukhla we coordinating
Katay ka ng khadduh ko wan Yogi ke Baroh.
wadang wan dan neki wadawan kuah yang beromai-pi juga ni Behdeiñkhlam ni Behdeiñkhlam is sukuk men ya pi wuro work life and rod wo umlangu pi hai pure putri hai ki hai kan hai lai. Was from a part of Mukhla.
Beautiful followers of Myntri dancing, and at the same time, with all this beautiful crowd, we should take care of the environment and the surrounding.
As well as to improve the overall infrastructure for the celebration of these kind of festivals of the people of our state. Just this morning, I had been taken by the Seiñ Raij Mukhla President and others to see the young bride that is right on top of this hillock, and they requested that financial assistance be given to renovate the place. And hence I am happy to announce that along with the Honorable MLA, Walidmiki Shylla, we will ensure that this place is renovated and necessary funds will be given to improve and to renovate this place of worship. At the same time, the Honorable MLA has also informed me that there has to be some investment in the infrastructure in this area also, including a tourism project that was done many years back but is lying unutilized. I want to assure him and the people of this area that all the necessary funds and projects that need to be taken up either through the central scheme of Swadesh Darshan or through the state scheme, the support of the government will be there in order to renovate and improve the overall infrastructure, not just in this place, but in all the other places where such kind of infrastructure is required to ensure that such kind of celebration continues. I am happy to see that after the funds that were sanctioned for the Jowai Center and 6 crores has been given to improve the overall infrastructure there, I am happy to see that the work is coming up fast. I have asked the Honorable Tourism Minister and the local MLA to organize one visit so that we can review the work of it and ensure that the quality and overall work